So we're at a rest stop in just outside of Sandusky, Ohio. And it's chilly out. It's probably low 50s. So I just clicked on the furnace and she's warming up. We got it on the propane. So electric would be the heat pump in that, but this is just gonna run off the battery to run the fan, and we're still good. 12.9, pretty much a full charge. The inverter is just being used to charge the laptop phone over there. And we just want to keep it nice and warm. There's one of the vents. That is very, very warm. There's another by the door. And then oddly enough, there's one in behind this slide that I really don't want to put out right now. But it's just blowing up against the side of the slide, so I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, I didn't see many videos of people using their furnaces. Yeah. It's Saturday. And then we got one more travel day tomorrow, or full day tomorrow. And then we'll be done Monday. And this will be in its new home. Yep.